Hi kids, today we will learn how to write the alphabets, letters A to Z. Before we start, let's look at our workspace. The upper line, the middle line, and the lower line. Let's see also the symbols. A downstroke, a dash, left stroke, right stroke, right curve, a circle, and a left curve. Now, let's begin. First is letter A. Left stroke, a right stroke, and a middle dash. A for ant. Next is letter B. B. A stroke down, upper right curve, and lower right curve. B for bat. Next is letter C. K. Make a left curve. C for cat. Next is letter D. D. A stroke down and a right curve. D for dog. Next is letter E. A stroke down, upper dash, middle dash, and a lower dash. E for elephant. Next is letter F. F. A stroke down, upper dash, and middle dash. F for frog. Next is letter G. G. A left curve to the middle line and a dash in. G for gorilla. Next is letter H. A stroke down, a stroke down, and a middle dash. H for horse. Next is letter I. E. Asterisk down, upper dash and lower dash. I for iguana. Next is letter J. J. Asterisk down, curve to the left and upper dash. J for jaguar. Next is letter K. K. Asterisk down, upper left stroke and lower right stroke. K for kangaroo. Next is letter L. L. Asterisk down and a lower dash. L for lion. Next is letter M. Asterisk down, a right stroke, a left stroke up, and a stroke down. M for monkey. Next is letter N. A stroke down, a right stroke, and a stroke up. N for nightingale. Next is letter O. O. Make a circle. O for octopus. Next is letter P. A stroke down and upper right curve. P for penguin. Next is letter Q. Make a circle around. And a lower right stroke. Q for quail. Next is letter R. R. A stroke down, upper right curve, and lower right stroke. R for rabbits. Next is letter S. S. Upper left curve into a lower right curve. S for snake. Next is letter T. T. A stroke down and upper dash. T for tiger. Next is letter U. A stroke down, curve to the right, and a stroke up. U for urchin. Next is letter V. V. A right stroke and a left stroke up. V for vulture. Next is letter W. W. A right stroke, a left stroke up, a right stroke, and a left stroke up. W for whale. Next is letter X. X. A right stroke and a left stroke across. X for extra fish. Next is letter Y. Y. Upper right stroke, upper left stroke, and a stroke down. Y for yak. Next is letter Z. Z. Upper dash, a left stroke, and a lower dash. Z for zebra.
Thank you and bye-bye.